Hey guys, JTSpeeds here. I'm back with another one. This is a show where I watch police chases. This is the quickest way to escape NYC police. Escape today.
That's a Benz on the side of it? Benz lights. I don't even see the. Oh, whoa. Yeah, definitely a Benz. E350. That's what I wanted before.
Where are the Jakes?
Yeah, I don't even see him.
Man, you doing all this nasty Aphrodite sneezing and shit? Like, what the fuck wrong with you, man?
Aphrodite? That's
like it's nasty. Like I watch police chases, not sneeze it up and hit the cart and shit. Like, the fuck is you doing?
That nigga squeezing that bitch.
This isn't really that impressive though. Like, this isn't a good show of like actually squeezing. Like, I don't even see any beamers around. If there's not an M3 there, like, the niggas aren't serious.
This here is a tunnel.
This is a Mercedes too.
Him.
This is a Mercedes too. This guy, Tommy Demon 43.
No, you're right there. I think he about to get in front of him. Oh, he about to race. Wait, is it the boys? Woo.
That squeeze was nasty.
See, I'm telling you, bro, like, bro, you know, that nigga Ali said, bro, I seen you do some shit like that. He said, bro, like, I seen some shit like you weren't supposed to make. Oh, I see him. That's the Jake circle. Oh, he busted you. Busted you right on his ass. Oh, it's two of them boys. Oh, he coming hot. Coming hot, son. He's got to get right past this nigga. Like, oh, that shit. Bro, this nigga can't. I can't, bro. He not really squeezing. Like, this nigga, not really. We need the other nigga POV.
He's doing his thing. I mean, he's not like...
Yeah, he's more a swimmer. That other guy's cutting up. I like cutting up.
So the boys on his ass.
That's them back there?
That's what they're sitting there.
That's Alexis. So that was it? Yeah, it looks like if you ever are in a chase, you get off the freeway, just get back right on the freeway. He's gone. There's no boys in sight. Nobody was harmed.
That's pretty much what happened.
Got off.
I don't know if this was the best display of what I was trying to show though. We're gonna have to run this back. So I'm gonna end this video here, but we gotta do another one because this is a video. I think that would be maybe a better display of what I'm trying to show here. It's JTSpeeds and I'm out. Peace.
Hey,